Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for December 9th, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:06 a.m. Central Standard Time followed by sunset at 4:20 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, a wondrous Venus-Moon conjunction occurs this morning in the Predawn southeastern sky. Step outside about an hour before daybreak. The morning star is nearly 25 degrees above the horizon and 3.8 degrees to the upper left of the crescent moon that is 13% illuminated. Venus is 12.2 degrees to the lower left of Spica, Virgo's brightest star, and 10.0 degrees to the upper right of Zubin el-Janubi, the Scorpion's northern claw. This is a do-not-miss event, perhaps not as well publicized as a solar or lunar eclipse, but just as impressive in its own right. This lovely crescent moon with Venus nearby is an exceptional scene. Social media feeds will likely fill with images of this pair above scenic views from across the globe. The pair rises over 3½ hours before daybreak and they can be seen after sunrise. In a clear sky, they are visible during the daytime to the right of the sun. Both easily fit into the same binocular field of view. The optical assist greatly improves the view of Earthshine on the crescent between the lunar cusps or horns. This effect is from sunlight reflecting from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land to softly light up the lunar night. Earthshine can be easily photographed with a tripod-mounted camera and exposures up to a few seconds, depending on the camera's settings. The Venus-Jupiter opposition occurs tomorrow, when Jupiter sets as Venus rises. This morning a window lasting nearly 15 minutes 3 hours, 30 minutes before sunrise to see Venus and Jupiter in the sky at the same time. They are not again in the sky at the same time until late November 2024. Set an early alarm. Mars is not visible. Rising less than 30 minutes before the sun, it is immersed in bright sunlight. In the evening sky, Mercury is visible low in the southwest during brighter evening twilight. At sundown, the solar system's innermost planet is over 10 degrees above the horizon. 30 minutes later, a binocular is needed to see it over 6 degrees up in the southwest. 15 minutes later, the sky is darker, but the planet is less than 5 degrees above the horizon. To find the planet, sweep the binocular slowly along the western horizon multiple times. Mercury is beginning its retreat back into bright twilight. This evening it sets nearly 80 minutes after sunset. In a week it sets nearly 25 minutes earlier compared to sunset than tonight's interval. It is heading toward inferior conjunction between Earth and the Sun on December 22nd. By an hour after sundown, Saturn is in the southern sky, over 35 degrees up in the sky. The planet is easy to find, although it is not spectacularly bright like Venus or Jupiter. The planet is slowly trekking eastward in front of dim Aquarius, 7.8 degrees to the upper left of Deneb Algedi, Capricornus tail, 10.0 degrees to the upper right of Skate, the Aquarian's leg, and 10.4 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. Use a binocular to see the stars, especially in locales with outdoor lighting. At this hour, bright Jupiter gleams from the east-southeastern sky. The planet is slowly retrograding in front of Aries, 11.4 degrees to the lower right of Hammel, Aries' brightest star, and 14.0 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, part of Cetus. The Jovian giant is west of an imaginary line between the two stars. During the night Jupiter and Saturn are farther westward. Saturn sets in the west-southwest over 5 hours after sunset. Jupiter is south about an hour before Saturn sets. It is low in the west several hours before sunrise when it is at opposition with Venus, rising as Jupiter sets. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.